Sip and serve with Russels.
Today we're making a tasty homemade shawarma. So first, let's check the ingredients. For the filling we need shredded chicken, bell peppers, carrots, onions, capsicum, gherkins, tomato, and lettuce. For the paste we need garlic paste, salt, pepper, a little sugar, mayonnaise, and curd. All right, now let's start cooking. First, take your roti and heat it on a pan. Flip it on both sides and warm it up nicely. Once it's soft and heated well, keep it aside. Now let's make the creamy paste. Take a cup and add some mayonnaise and curd. Then add garlic paste, a little salt, a bit of pepper, and just a small pinch of sugar. Mix everything together until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now take the roti and spread the paste all over it. Rub it nicely so the flavor spreads evenly. Next, add lettuce on top as the first layer. This gives a fresh and crunchy bite. Now, in a separate bowl, add your chopped bell peppers, carrots, onions, and capsicum. Add the shredded chicken. Then add a little salt and pepper and a spoon of curd. Mix everything well until it's nicely coated. Now add this chicken and veggie mix onto the roti. Spread it evenly, and if you like, you can add a few gherkins and tomato slices for extra flavor. Now carefully roll the roti tightly into a shawarma shape. Wrap it with parchment paper so it stays neat and easy to eat. Finally, cut it into 2 pieces. Plate it nicely. And there you have it. A perfectly made homemade shawarma. Creamy, juicy, and full of flavor.